Today we will be taking you to the CNE, the Canadian National Exhibition, which is an annual event that is held in Toronto, Canada in the summertime. Hi guys!
Hey guys!
Today we're going to the CNE, which is Canada's largest national exhibition that happens every summer. And in the past 2 years, since COVID, it hasn't been held. So this is the first time after COVID, and we're really excited.
Yeah, excited to check out what's new this year and the special food of this year.
When you first enter, you see that there are a lot of different activities and things to do. Where is it that you see that time? Look at the snake. And the turtle, it's huge.
And there's a snake up there.
Oh, and more snakes. You can also check out the many rides that they have. There's a lot of people in line for the cable car ride. There are also many different types of foods that you can try, such as deep fried cheese curds. Frozen lemonade is always a good choice. There are also many different types of rides that you can go on with your friends and family to enjoy the thrills. Now we're approaching the Arts and Crafts Center. Oh, there's a henna tattoo. Do you want to get a tattoo?
Oh, I think I'm okay.
There are many different types of crafts that are being sold and different types of artwork as well that you can purchase. There is even a casino that opens from noon until the next morning at 6 a.m. Now we're entering the Inner Care Center, which is one of the main exhibitions at the CNE. Here we come across a piece of artwork that is crafted by someone who is raising awareness for climate change and to reduce the usage of plastic. There are other interesting things to do, such as getting jewelry for your teeth, which is the first time I've seen. You can also roam around and see different ethnic shops, such as clothing and jewelry. There is even a place where they're selling Egyptian snacks and different types of food. There is also a place to get Thai massage if you're tired and would like to relax. Now we're getting a really popular ice cream sandwich that's made with really hot crunchy waffle with ice cream sandwiched in the middle.
First impression is the outside waffle is very hot. Inside ice cream should be very cool and looks very enticing for me to take a bite. Just as I expected.
Ice cream slipping out. It tastes really great. Crispy waffle and creamy ice cream.
I give it 10 of 10.
At night, it's bustling with a very lively vibe and ambience. Now we're entering the food building, which has a lot of different choices from around the world. We got a bit tired, so we decided to ride in the cart that took us around CNE, and we can feel the warm summer breeze. For our final stop, we decided to stop at the animal farm where we saw some horses and some really cute pigs and baby pigs that are really active. Thanks guys for watching and see you in my next video.